This lesson is about using tangram pieces to develop an understanding of half. These different shapes are made from tangram pieces. I have some small triangles and a medium-sized triangle. And I would start by asking my class, what do we notice about these shapes? They're red and blue, the one on the left is a square, the one on the right is a quadrilateral, but an irregular shape, those sorts of things. One of the things I want my class to notice, though, and direct the conversation towards, is that this one is half red and half blue, and this one's not. This is an even division, and this one's a different division. The challenge for students in this activity, and it comes from our SuperSource resource, is to make a tangram shape that is half one color and half a different color. Students are going to use 4 pieces, 2 medium triangles and 2 small triangles, so we're going to be mixing sets a little bit to do that. And then they're going to trade with someone working with pieces of a different color so they can make their shape half and half. I chose for my example to make this heart shape. That's my basic shape. And now I want to replace some of the pieces with blue pieces in order to create half. So I could think about taking this triangle and covering that one up, and take this triangle and cover that one up, and now I've got a fairly traditional half and half. What's a different way I could make this shape half and half? Well, one of the options would be to do this. That's still half blue and half red, but the areas are divided differently, and so we can begin to talk about half not just as what happens when I fold a figure, the blue half and the red half match, but half as a concept of area. Tangrams are nice for area because this medium triangle is twice as big as a small one. So my area here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units. Here's my pen. Is my area. 3 of them are red and 3 of them are blue. And I can represent that in any number of different ways. And students who can see that this is half just as much as this is half have a good understanding of what the fraction 1/2 actually means and are well situated to move forward in their understanding of fractions.